Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers, and if you haven't subscribed, you've been wondering how to subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen, you know that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. I thank you for all your comments you've been leaving and everything. Mr. Belle got some good videos out there and everything. Hope I've been a great help to everyone been watching my videos, because you know Mr. Belle like to take you step by step. Today I'll be doing something different in this Power XL. So I'll be frying today in this Power XL. So for me to fry, for all my first time viewers, you wonder how the top come off? Do the top come off? Yes, it does. That's all you have to do is just wiggle 1, 2, and lift it up, and the top is off. I'm going to set this to the side, and we'll talk about what I'm doing today. So today we'll be doing something different in this Power XL. Like I say, we'll be doing some frying today in this Power XL. Today I'll be making some shrimp egg rolls. So today my wrappers is right here. I'm going to be using these wrappers right here. And as you see, I cleaned the shrimp. My wife cleaned the shrimp and everything, got it ready for me. So we're going to wrap these up nice and good. And you see how good they are and everything. We got all the dirt out the sides of it. So when you bite in it and everything, you'll be eating all that good shrimp. We clean every last one of them. So today it's gonna be a bowl of shrimp, maybe about 35 of them or something like that, because we love seafood. And I'll be eyeballing a little bit olive oil in here when I mix them up together. And my season today, I will be using a teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of Slap Your Mama, a teaspoon of garlic salt, and a teaspoon of black pepper. What I would be doing today with them seasons, I will mix it up in this shrimp and put a little olive oil on it and set it to the side and let it sit for about 10 or 15 minutes while my grease is heating up. You know it takes a while for that grease to heat up. You want it nice and hot and everything, and so it could be nice and good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this as on fry. So I'm gonna turn it like this and put it on fry. As you see, the light is blinking for fry. And I'm going to set the temperature for 375, and I'm going to set that for, I'm going to put it over here for 50 minutes, 55 minutes, and let it get nice and hot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press start and let this heat up. In the meantime, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour my vegetable oil in there. So while I'm getting this together, massaging it and everything, my grease is going to be getting hot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna eyeball a little vegetable oil, and you can use any kind of oil you wanna use. So I'm just gonna pour in here just like this. Eyeball it and everything like this. That's enough right there. So I'm gonna just do it just like that. Might pour a little bit more. In the meantime, while this getting hot, so Mr. Belle gonna get a bowl and just massage these shrimps up right quick. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the shrimp in here and put this to the side. So first of all, I'm just gonna get a little olive oil and just pour just a little bit on it. Just like this, so it'd be nice and good, so everything stick, just a little of it, set it to the side. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna mix it up just like this, let that just get nice and good, as you see, nice and good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna start pouring this season all over, just like that. Pour it over. Pull it over like that. This right here is gonna be so delicious, especially when you dip it. And I'm gonna just mix it up like this. So the season just soak in it. Just like that. Get it all over. As you see, it's looking nice and good. So that's coming out good. I'm gonna set this to the side and let it marinate for about 10 or 15 minutes. In the meantime, Mr. Belle, he'll be right back. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. My grease is hot and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take one and take this cover off, as you see, put it to the side. And I'm gonna take one and I'm just gonna roll it just like this. Put it in there and roll it like that. Fold it. And I'm gonna just roll it. Just like this. Nice and good. Fold this part right here. And this right here is gonna be good. Dab a little water on it. You can use water, egg, grease, whatever you want to use on it. And I'm gonna set it just like this to the side. And that's the way we're gonna roll them, just like this. And I'm gonna roll them and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, these right here is roll, as you see, and everything. I'm just gonna stick them in right here. Nice and good. As you see, the grease is nice and hot and everything. I'm gonna put them in just like that. And it don't take long for these to get nice and done. Just like that. Put them in like that. This right here is my first batch. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the camera a little closer so you can see how it's cooking in here. You're not gonna see my face, but you're gonna hear my voice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flip them over. As you see, it coming out good and everything, just to give you an idea of how it look and everything. I'm gonna do it just like that. You see it's coming out nice and good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip it. As you see, it's nice and brown, the way you want it. I'm gonna flip them over. Looking good. Just like that. These right here are gonna be so delicious with a nice sauce. Put that to the side, let them cook a little bit more, and I'm going to take them out this first batch in a few minutes. Okay, I'm going to take this batch out right here. They're looking like they're nice, good, and brown and everything. I'm going to take them out, put them in here with the rest of them. That's looking so good and everything. Looking nice. Take them out, put them over here nice and good. Hope they're not too hot. They can taste one of them. Put them in like that. Just like that. Like that. They are delicious. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this last batch in. Put this last batch in and everything. Just like that. Set that in. I'm gonna let them cook, and this right here is gonna be done. And I haven't used all the minutes. It's not gonna be used, but this is done. Okay, I'm gonna take these out and look like this is done. Yes, it is. Take these out, they looking nice and good. Oh yes. Take all these out and this right here. Take it out. Put this to the side. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move my camera over so you can see how they look and everything, but I'm gonna off this right here. Okay, these shrimp egg rolls are done. As you see, they looking nice and good and pretty and everything. Mr. Belle gonna taste one of these, and this is the first time I did it in the Power XL. I'm gonna dip it in a little lupin sauce and everything, see how this come out and everything. But I'm gonna taste it a little hot. I don't mind burning my mouth with something like this. Mmm. It's delicious. As you see, you can see the shrimp is all in it. Every bite, shrimp is looking nice and good and everything. I think I'm just gonna eat this whole thing right now. Yeah. Mm. Mm-hmm. That is nice. Seasoned well. Mm. These are good to have. You should try it. You can use what kind of seasoning you want. But that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you'll subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Leave a comment in the box. And thank you for watching.